20 Amazon products you never knew existed. This collapsible laundry basket easily folds flat when not in use, while still offering a large capacity that makes carrying and storing clothes super convenient. This wireless charging station powers your phone, earbuds, and smartwatch all at once, with fast magnetic charging that keeps your space clean and clutter-free. This attachable storage pocket gives you a smart hidden space to carry small essentials on straps or clothing without adding bulk. This acrylic cutting board protects your countertops with its thick, durable design while staying easy to clean and safe for everyday kitchen use. This sunscreen applicator uses a soft rolling sponge to apply lotion evenly without mess, making it perfect for kids and quick outdoor use. This multifunctional dog leash combines a retractable rope with a built-in water bottle, bowl, and waste bag holder for ultimate convenience on walks. This waterproof phone pouch keeps your device completely dry, even underwater, while still allowing smooth touchscreen use. This powerful handheld fan delivers strong airflow with adjustable speeds and a foldable design that makes it perfect for travel or hot days. This portable exercise bar provides a stable and sturdy setup for home workouts like ballet, stretching, and balance training. This pull-out spice rack slides smoothly from cabinets to give you quick access and organized storage without needing to drill anything. This compact travel dispenser neatly stores multiple liquids in one container while preventing leaks during trips. This bottle attachment cap turns any water bottle into a mini shower, making it ideal for cleaning off dirt during camping or outdoor adventures. This foldable Pilates board offers a full-body workout with resistance bands and a rebound system designed for effective home fitness. This mini desk vacuum easily picks up dust and crumbs with a cordless rotating design that keeps your workspace clean without effort. This humorous toilet timer helps track bathroom time in a fun way, making it both a practical and entertaining gadget. This defrost tray speeds up the thawing process for frozen food naturally without using electricity or damaging the texture. This t-shirt organizer keeps your clothes neatly stacked and easy to access while saving space in your wardrobe. This portable wine glass set combines stylish drinkware with a storage bottle, making it perfect for travel or outdoor gatherings. This electric egg cooker prepares eggs in multiple styles with automatic shut-off, making breakfast quick and hassle-free. This compact ice cream maker creates a variety of frozen treats at home with simple controls and quick results. 20 Amazon products that feel accidentally perfect. This smart fan delivers powerful yet whisper-quiet airflow with app, voice, and remote control, making every room feel cooler with almost no effort. This stackable food preservation tray keeps fruits, vegetables, and meat fresh for longer while saving valuable space inside your refrigerator. This potato cutter slices vegetables into even strips within seconds, helping you prepare fries and snacks much faster. This grilling rack holds multiple drumsticks upright so they cook evenly, while the drip tray keeps your grill cleaner. This clear organizer stores face towels, cotton pads, and skincare essentials neatly in one place for a cleaner bathroom. This adorable decoration instantly adds a playful and funny touch to your desk, monitor, dashboard, or photo frame. This compact skillet cooks quick meals almost anywhere and is perfect for making breakfast, lunch, or snacks with ease. This collapsible lantern set lights up with color-changing effects to create a fun and festive Halloween atmosphere. This wall-mounted soap holder keeps your soap dry, clean, and protected with a draining design and convenient lid. This rechargeable hand warmer provides long-lasting portable heat, making cold mornings, travel, and outdoor adventures much more comfortable. This foldable handheld fan delivers powerful cooling with multiple speed settings while remaining compact enough for everyday travel. This automatic sealer locks in freshness for dry and moist foods, helping reduce waste and keep ingredients stored much longer. This handy tool removes cherry pits quickly and neatly, making desserts, jams, and fruit preparation far easier. This rechargeable gadget seals open snack bags in seconds while also working as a cutter and bottle opener for extra convenience. This cute insulated bottle keeps drinks secure and easy to carry, while its collectible design makes it a fun everyday companion. This hanging toiletry bag neatly organizes makeup and travel essentials so everything stays easy to find during trips. This colorful measuring set includes cups, spoons, a funnel, and a leveler to make baking and cooking more accurate. This double-layer garbage bin separates wet and dry waste efficiently, helping keep your kitchen cleaner and better organized. This foldable rolling cart carries heavy loads with ease and collapses quickly for simple storage when not in use. This creative measuring cup set separates into fun ice cream cone shapes while making baking and cooking both accurate and enjoyable.